Namaste everyone. Welcome to LRS DAV School News. I am Saurav.
And I am Nurpreet.
Today we are going to unfurl innovative language learning techniques embraced by our school.
In a bid to revolutionize language learning, our school has adopted an array of creative approaches that transcend traditional textbook methods. From role-playing to interactive activities, educators are pioneering diverse techniques to engage students across various subjects.
In the English curriculum, 5th grade students recently showcased an inspiring enactment on the Green Act. This project aimed to teach students about taking care of nature by encouraging them to plant trees and protect the environment. Beyond the thematic focus, the activity served as a catalyst for honing essential skills such as confidence, effective communication, critical thinking, and problem solving.
Meanwhile, in the Hindi subject, language acquisition extended beyond conventional lessons. Students delved into the realms of acting, poetry, recitals, and storytelling, transforming narratives into gripping dramas. Especially activities like Samuhik Kavita Gayan, group poetry singing, and Kavi Darbar poetry symposium were featured, making language learning not just engaging but also effortlessly comprehensible.
Not to be outdone, the Punjabi subject witnessed an enthusiastic embrace of role-playing among students from 3rd to 5th grade. The sheer delight and joyousness among these young learners spoke volumes about the success of such interactive language learning techniques.
These innovative teaching approaches not only enrich language comprehension but also foster a deeper connection with culture nuances. They serve as a testament to the evolving landscape of education, where creativity and engagement reign supreme in shaping proficient multilingual individuals.
That is it for today. Stay tuned as our school continues to explore groundbreaking methods, promising a future where language learning transcends the boundaries of conventional textbooks, embracing a realm of creativity and immersive experiences.